Relationship and inspiring words by the top successful people in the modern world. 1. Love fuels my success. It gives me the strength to conquer any challenge. Successful entrepreneur. 2. Support from my partner makes the journey of success all the more meaningful. Accomplished CEO. 3. My family's love is my anchor, grounding me through the highs and lows of success. Renowned athlete. 4. Building a successful relationship is like building a thriving business. Both require dedication and trust. Influential business leader. 5. In love and success, communication is key. Listen and understand before you respond. Visionary innovator. 6. Being together through success and failure creates an unbreakable bond. Esteemed author. 7. Cherishing the small moments with loved ones brings balance to my successful life. Respected artist. 8. My partner's belief in me is the driving force behind my achievements. Celebrated philanthropist. 9. Nurturing a healthy relationship is the foundation for my accomplishments. Trailblazing scientist. 10. Success is sweeter when shared with someone you love. Prominent musician. 11. A strong relationship empowers me to take on the world and reach new heights. Inspirational leader. 12. Love and success go hand in hand, complementing each other in extraordinary ways. Distinguished educator. 13. Through love, I find the courage to take risks and overcome obstacles in my path to success. World-changing activist. 14. The unwavering support of my partner enhances my achievements beyond imagination. Revered tech innovator. 15. In the realm of success, a loving relationship is the ultimate achievement. Empowered visionary. 16. The love and encouragement of those closest to me propel my journey towards success. Influential thought leader. 17. Love is the fuel that ignites my passion for success. Celebrated sports champion. 18. Success is fulfilling, but love is the true measure of wealth. Esteemed humanitarian. 19. Through love, I find the motivation to excel and make a positive impact on the world. Inspirational philosopher. 20. My relationship is my sanctuary, allowing me to thrive and succeed beyond my wildest dreams. Visionary entrepreneur. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.